families. Today is Tuesday, June the 11th. I just got off of work. I am going to do a come clean with me, my nasty refrigerator. Well, to me it's nasty. So I'm going to show you me cleaning that out. I also need to make a list of groceries that I need to get because I need to order groceries for delivery for tomorrow. And also you're going to come and cook with me in my kitchen today. I am fixing today's dinner. I know today's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, but I am going to fix some salmon and cheddar broccoli and rice here. Let me see. In my cabinet, I'm going to fix two of these here. So, be something quick and easy. I'm going to take the salmon and I'm going to put it in the air fryer. So, come with me as I clean out my freezer and my refrigerator and get dinner started. Alright, hope y'all having a beautiful day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, push that notification button so you know each time that I am going to post a video. Alright, bye. Alright, so right now this is what my freezer is looking like. So I always put my cup in here, or one of my kids freeze it and it spilled over, so I need to get all this cleaned out here. So this is what it's looking like right now. And this is what the refrigerator is looking like right now. So this is the before here, and I will come back and show you the after. Or you can watch me as I clean, sorry. now I'm going to work on the bottom part of the refrigerator. Get that cleaned out, make sure everything is straight, and then I'm getting dinner prepped for dinner tonight. All right, come watch me. Alright, so guys, I hope that you're enjoying the video so far, my journeys. So you'll just see where I have cleaned out the refrigerator. I did the freezer first, I did the refrigerator, and I'm just showing how everything is cleaned out, wiped off, and then I may notice like a little spot, so I went back and wiped that off again to make sure everything is freshly clean. And then you'll see me putting everything back in the refrigerator, and we'll do a walk around of what the finishing touches will look like for the freezer and the refrigerator. As always, I thank you for subscribing, looking at the videos, sharing, commenting. I appreciate everyone that has support. I definitely appreciate y'all. Now, you did see that wine bottle go in there. Before my surgery, I would drink wine like once a week. So that wine probably needs to be thrown out because I have not drunk wine since March. And we are now, what, in June, July. So I may just throw that out because I should have just thrown it out. So anyway, I'm trying to put everything in here neatly. I know by the end of the night, dealing with my kids, it's going to be messed up. But hey, it's okay as long as everything's clean and fresh. So continue to watch the video and continue to enjoy. I love y'all. Thank you so much, my journeys. This have been a struggle because I am as far as my confidence with my hair and everything. My hair is growing back. I don't know if you can see like on the side of my bruising, and I still have knots on the side of my left side of my face. But you know what? It's okay. I'm doing something that I love to do, and I appreciate everyone, the positivity, the love, the prayers, and I thank y'all so much. All right, continue enjoying the video. Bye. wild Pacific salmon here. So I'm thinking, and don't judge me in the comments, I'm thinking about just cutting in it and put it in the air fryer and do it like that. I'm going to keep the skin on. Most people probably don't want skin. I want skin on mine. My kids probably don't want it, and I can reduce it here. So enjoy this.
So in this part of the video, my mom is cleaning the dishes because she likes to clean as she goes. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that subscribe button so you can get notified in every video I post. And see ya. 'Cause I don't want the simple life. It's the fine things I like. I want my champagne all night with you. If you're feeling lucky tonight, better keep my fingers on ice. And if I want, I just might take you. Yeah, bitch, I'm ballin'. Got 'em out here drooling. All up in my comments, they like what I'm doing. Yeah, bitch, I'm ballin'. Got 'em out here drooling. All up in my comments, they like what I'm doing. 'Cause I don't want the simple life. It's the fine things I like. I want my champagne all night with you. If you're feeling lucky tonight, better keep my fingers on ice. And if I want, I just might take you. Yeah, bitch, I'm ballin'. Got 'em out here drooling. All up in my comments, they like what I'm doing. Yeah, bitch, I'm ballin'. Got 'em out here drooling. All up in my comments, they like what I'm doing. 'Cause I don't want the simple life. It's the fine things I like. I want my champagne all night with you. If you're feeling lucky tonight, better keep my fingers on ice. And if I want, I just might take you. Yeah, bitch, I'm ballin'. Got 'em out here drooling. All up in my comments, they like what I'm doing. Yeah, bitch, I'm ballin'. Got 'em out here drooling. All up in my comments, they like what I'm doing.
Alright guys, so in this part of the video, I'm just adding some season on the cheddar broccoli rice. Again, this is a quick meal that I am doing from working a hard day today. These past couple of days have been really hard and very busy for work. But anyway, continue looking at this video and enjoy. And then at the end, I will show you the finishing touches of the dinner that I have made for me and my two babies. guys, I am done cooking. I am about to prep the kids' plate, put the plates together. I'm going to show you how I'm doing my dinner. This was a quick meal. I am very, very, very exhausted. My head is pounding. But I wanted to get my refrigerator and freezer cleaned out. I wanted to cook a meal. I like to cook. I try to cook every day for my kids and I. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'm getting ready. I will be back to show you their plates. Bye. So, everybody's plate is done. On this plate right here, it is my son's plate. Me and him wanted one piece of salmon, and he wanted hot sauce on his. My daughter got rice in 2 pieces. I got my plate here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some cheese on top, and I'm going to melt it. Because I want it to be like a creamy cheese rice with salmon. So I'm going to put my cheese on top, melt it in the microwave. So let me nuke this real quick. Nuke that so it can get, the cheese can melt real good. So, as I go, I just got this little bit in here to clean, and I am done. I gotta wait till this calms down. Well, excuse me, not calm down. I'm so tired. I gotta wait for this to cool down so I can clean this here. I really appreciate everyone that is liking my video, sharing, commenting, and hitting notification buttons so you can be notified. So let me make this quick because I'm ready to eat. I have not eaten all day. So, and work has been crazy. So, it's not as melted as I wanted. So, I'll be right back with the final touches. Alright, so this is the final touches of my plate here. And I'm going to put some hot sauce on top of it. And time to enjoy. Y'all have a good day. Stay blessed. It is raining here in Texas. Matter of fact, how about I show y'all? Let me show you right quick. It is raining outside. So let me show you the outside of what's going on. This is the type of weather. I'm going to watch some YouTube videos to my favorite. I have a lot of favorite, but my main favorite is Avis Family, All About Jazz, and Life of Ray Ray. So, I love watching them. They encourage me. They don't know that, and I'm always going to speak positive of them because I enjoy their videos, and I'm going to eat this, watch their videos. Hopefully they did post something today. If not, I will watch something else because I'm really not a TV person. But let me show you what it looks like outside right now, and then we're going to eat. Me and my kids going to pray, eat, and be done. Love you.